To download and install shaders packs in Minecraft for enhanced graphics and visual effects, follow these steps. Find a shaders pack. Start by searching for a shaders pack online. These packs can significantly improve the visual quality of your Minecraft world. Many shaders are available from various sources, including forums, modding websites, and community-driven platforms. Download Shaders Mod. Before you can use shaders, you need to install a shaders mod. Popular options include Optifine, Silder's Shaders, and SEUS. Download and install the compatible shaders mod for your Minecraft version. Download a shaders pack. Once you've installed the shaders mod, look for a shaders pack that is compatible with both the mod and your Minecraft version. These packs are typically available as zip files. Access the Minecraft folder, open Minecraft and go to Options, Video Settings, Shaders. Then click on Shaders folder, place the shaders pack. Locate the downloaded shaders pack and move it into the shader packs folder within the Minecraft directory you just opened. This is where the shaders mod will access the pack. Enable shaders. In Minecraft, launch the game and go to Options, Video Settings. Click on Shaders to open the shaders menu. Here, you'll see the shaders pack you added. Select it to enable the shaders. Adjust shader settings. Many shaders packs allow for customization. You can adjust shader settings like lighting, water reflections, and more from within the shaders menu. Tweak these settings to achieve the look you desire. Play the game. With the shaders enabled, start or restart your Minecraft game. You'll experience the game with enhanced graphics, realistic lighting, and various visual effects, depending on the shaders pack you selected. Shaders packs offer an immersive and visually stunning experience in Minecraft, transforming the game's graphics into something more lifelike and atmospheric. Ensure compatibility between your shaders mod, shaders pack, and Minecraft version for the best results. Explore different shaders to find the one that suits your style and preferences. Enjoy the enhanced graphics and immerse yourself in the beauty of your Minecraft world with shaders packs.